Hello guys, welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can change your age in your Apple ID. So to do that, all you need to do is just be on your app library first, and then after that, just go ahead and search for settings and open it. And once you're there, all you need to do is just go to this top bar with your name on it and just tap on it. And after you do that, you can see the first option that says personal information. Just open it. And now you can see a date of birth right under your name. Just click here and then just change the date of your birth, and that way you can just change your age. You can change the year that you were born in, and then you would have successfully changed your age. So guys, that's how you change your age in your Apple ID. If you found this video helpful, then please leave a like and drop a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.